Start in the. Okay, let's see. In this problem, earth problem, ABCD is the square, and side of the square is how much? 10 centimeters, and this is the shaded part. I have to find out the shaded part area. Okay, this shaded part area is how much? Okay, so while comparing previous problem and this problem, totally different here. Okay, because in previous problems we are getting semicircles or sectors. Okay, like that getting, but in this problem not having any semicircle also. Okay, otherwise sector also not having. Okay, sector also not having in this one, right? So let's see, here having sector, only sector having, but what we have to subtract in that one? Not having anything. Okay, so let's see, in this problem what you have to do, first step is you have to drop one of the line, diagonal line. Okay, drop one diagonal line from B to D. Okay, drop a diagonal line from B to D. This is only main step in this problem here, remember. Okay, I dropped one of the diagonal line from B to D. Okay, this step is main in this problem, very important. Okay, then in this you will get two regions. Okay, marked as two regions. Take D, B, C. This region take as R. I have taken this region as R. Then D, A, B. Take this region as S. Okay, I taken two regions. I converted this square in two regions. First region is S, second region is R. Then in this, suppose if you want to divide this diagram in two halves, let's see how. First I will use one of the diagram here in this. Okay, I will use this diagram. See, this diagram I used. Then here what the values are, what this is having, D, A, B, R. Then in this one triangle line also, one more line also having, diagonal line. Understand? This is half shaded part. Only half having, shading part is half. Okay, half shaded part having, and see, this is perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular line is equal to how much here? 90 degrees. Okay, now this is the circle. So this is what then? Sector. Understand? This is the sector. I want this half shaded region. So from this sector, okay, from this sector I will subtract this triangle. Okay, from this total sector I will subtract this triangle, then I will get this shaded part. Any doubts? Understand? Next, see here. Okay, area of the half shaded region. Okay, area of the half shaded region A, D, R, B. Okay, this is the not here. Okay, area of the half shaded region is equals to, first I will use full sector, area of the sector. Sector name is what? ADRB. From this sector I will subtract this triangle minus area of the triangle. Triangle is what having here? ABD. Any doubts? Understand? So just I am finding first half shaded region. In this half shaded region, first I will take complete figure, that is sector. Then I will subtract this triangle. Okay, suppose in this full sector I will subtract this triangle, means what part I am getting here? Shaded region I am getting. Okay, now substitute the formulas. Area of the sector formula is what? Area of the sector formula is x degree divided by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of the triangle value is what? 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, this is how much? 10 and height is also 10. Understand? Okay, because all the sides are equal in square. Okay, the next step. X degree. X value is how much? Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees divided by 360 degrees. 90 by 360 into pi value given in textbook or not? 3.14. Okay, pi value is 3.14 into r. R value is radius. Okay, radius is how much? Now only I show this is the circle and this is the radius. Radius is 10. 10 square minus 1 by 2 into base value is also same and height value also same. Okay, base is 10, height is 10 in triangle. Any doubts? The next step. Ones plus zeros first cancel here. Okay, denominator and numerator zeros cancel. 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 10s are minus 2 1s are and 2 5s are 5 10s are. Any doubts? Next step. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100 how much? 3.14 into 100 is equals to 314 minus 50. Now do here divide 314 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Otherwise first 2 add 2 2s are 4. 2 15s are 30. 1 carry. 2 7s are 14. Now make half. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 8s are 16. 1 here. Let's take decimal point. 2 5s are 10. Finished. So I got how much? 78.5 minus 50. Okay. 0.5 as it is, right? 8 minus 0, 8. 7 minus 5, 2. Half shaded region I got. Okay. One more half shaded region I want. In this I am using one more diagram. Okay. I taken region R. Then I will use region S now. So diagram is like this having here. This is equals to how much? 90 degrees. Okay, and this is the diagonal line. Okay, and this is one more half shaded region. Not having concentration, I think so, Pinky. Looking back again and again. Okay, the next. Yeah, let's take the vertices D, S, B, C. Understand? The next, all the sides are equal in square. So this is equals to 10 centimeters. This one also equals to 10 centimeters. Now same step here also we have to use. So area of one more half shaded region. Okay, right here. Area of the half shaded region equals to, formula is what? First to take complete figure. Area of the sector name is what having? B S D C, otherwise B C D S. Okay, it's your wish. B C D S minus area of the triangle. Triangle name is what having? B C D. Area of the triangle value name is what? BCD. Okay, we know the formulas here. No need to substitute the formulas because already we substituted in previous. Okay, just directly I am substituting the values because area of the sector formula I written here only x degree divided by 360 degrees into pi r square, and area of the triangle formula is 1 by 2 base into height. Let's substitute the values. X degree value is how much? 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees divided by 360 into pi value is 3.14 into r square. R value is 10 square minus 1 by 2 into base into height. Already same steps will get there. Okay, all steps will be same. Then next one, you all know, numerator 0 and denominator 0, ones place, first cancel, then afterwards 9, directly 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 10s are minus 2 1s are and 2 5s are, 5 10s are 50. The next step, 1 by 4 and 3.14 into 100 is here 314 minus 50. Let's do here. Already I cancelled here 4 1s are and 4 78.5s are. Okay, so direct you can cancel this value, sir. Otherwise you can take 2 also. 4 1s are 4 and 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 3 is remaining. Now it's 34. 4 8s are 32, more 2 is remaining. Take here decimal point, 0 will get, 4 5s are 20. Any doubts? The next step, 78.5 minus 50. Okay, 78.5 minus 50, how much is remaining here? 28.5 square centimeters. Now I want area of the complete shaded region. Okay, here half I got, there half I got. Add this to half of shaded region, then you will get complete shading region. Okay, so area of the shaded region. First half part is 28.5 plus one more half part is 28.5. 5 plus 5 10, 8 plus 8 plus 1 16 plus 1 17, 2 plus 2 plus 1 5. So I got answer 57 square centimeters. Okay, area of the shaded region is equals to 57. Now understand. So one important thing in this, that is diagonal line. If you draw the diagonal line, then you can make this into two regions. Okay, first region is A, B, R, D. First region, and second region is B, C, D, S. There you will get half shaded regions, and add two half shaded regions, then you will get complete shaded region. Okay, yeah, let's say those are having any doubts, you can clarify your doubts. Anyone not having any doubts, afterwards you will get means you can comment me. Understand? See full one stand problem.